My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to effectively remove the adware, which is called OutlookWade. OutlookWade is a special extension, special adware type application that specifically attacks Mac computers. OutlookWade is an application that is from the AdLoad malware family of infections. It specifically targets Mac computers, and it may affect Mac-related browsers such as Safari, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox. OutlookWade adware, once installed, starts displaying the great portion of intrusive advertisements which are not related to the sites that you visit. Therefore, if you see this OutlookWade program on your computer, you should urgently undertake the measures and remove this adware type application from your Mac as soon as possible. Go to your Finder, check your Mac applications, look for this application called OutlookWade, right-click on it, and then move it to the trash. I also recommend that you additionally research your computer and its safety with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the application, and then begin researching your computer. Of course, Combo Cleaner will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then click on Start Combo Scan button. The program would begin researching and investigating your computer. Then the scanning, of course, will take some time. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. In my case, it's a premium mode, but even the trial mode has got several absolutely free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. So what you need to do is to wait until the scanning is completed. Then at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know the exact locations of threats on your computer. Definitely based on that summary of threats, certain infections can be removed manually from the computer by going to these locations and deleting them manually. But I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to premium as the best solution to keep your data and your entire computer free of any other threats and infections.